In this session, we shall discuss third type of learning disability, that is dyscalculia. Dyscalculia was first discovered in 1919 by a Swedish neurologist. Dyscalculia is a learning disability in mathematics. It is a specific learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand numbers and learn mathematics facts. Individuals with this type of learning disability may also have poor comprehension of mathematical symbols. They may struggle with memorizing and organizing numbers and have difficulty in telling time or have trouble with counting. Students with dyscalculia can have trouble with quantities and concepts like bigger and smaller. Let us discuss signs and symptoms of a child with dyscalculia. The signs and symptoms of dyscalculia may differ from one child to another. Generally, symptoms show up when a child starts school. Parents may notice symptoms when the child first begins arithmetic in the school. Signs and symptoms of dyscalculia include: number 1, a student with dyscalculia have difficulty in number comparison. For example, 12 is greater than 10 and 4 is half of 8. They confuse in these comparison between the numbers. A student with dyscalculia have difficulty in counting the numbers. They have difficulty with connecting the idea of a number with what it represents in the real world. They may have trouble in organizing things in a logical way and sorting by shape, size, color, etc. They may have difficulty in comparing different things. For example, smaller and larger, they have difficulty. They have also difficulty taller and shorter also. They have difficulty in measuring things. The learning disabled students have poor sense of direction. For example, they are not able to understand north, south, east and west direction. They have poor long term memory for mathematical functions. The dysgraphia students always avoid to play games that require strategy. They have difficulties in reading a clock. For example, they confuse in 8 AM and 8 PM. The children with dyscalculia may have poor ability to budget or balance a checkbook. These are the signs and symptoms of dyscalculia. Now, we shall discuss main causes of dyscalculia. The first cause is genetic. A child with dyscalculia often have parent or sibling with similar mathematical issues. The second cause is brain development. Difference in the surface area, thickness and volume part of brain that are linked to learning and memory. The third and important cause is brain injury. Serious injury to certain parts of the brain results to acquired dyscalculia. This is about causes of dyscalculia. In this session, we have discussed the concept of dyscalculia, its sign and symptoms and its causes also.